Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove numbers from text in Excel. If you regularly clean data, Power Query is a powerful tool to automate the process. For this you need to select your data table and then go to the data tab and click on the table and range. Click OK to proceed. So once the data is open in Power Query editor, click on the add column on the ribbon and click on the customs column. So give it a column name, for example clean data, and you need to put the code over here. I'll be mentioning this code in the description, you can copy from there and then click OK and go to the home and click close and load. So this process clean the data back to the Excel. So you can see that in the John 1, 2 through 3 Smith has been cleaned to the only John Smith. This is very pretty simple and easy. So I hope you understand how you can easily remove numbers from text in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.